Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain Flutter projects versus VS Code. To begin, ensure you have Flutter SDK installed and configured correctly on your system. Next, open VS Code and install the Flutter and Dart extensions from the marketplace. This setup provides essential tools like syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging capabilities. You'll then be ready to create your first Flutter project directly within VS Code, leveraging its integrated terminal. The development workflow with Flutter and VS Code is incredibly efficient. VS Code's powerful extensions offer features like intelligent code completion and refactoring, making coding smoother. Flutter's hot reload allows you to see changes instantly without restarting your application, saving valuable time. For more significant updates, Hot Restart quickly reloads the entire application state. This combination significantly boosts your productivity. When it comes to performance, Flutter truly shines by compiling your application directly to native code. This ensures your apps run at top speed, delivering a fluid and responsive user experience across different devices. VS Code complements this with its vast array of features, including integrated Git control and a highly customizable interface. Flutter's extensive widget catalog also empowers rapid and consistent user interface development. The strength of both Flutter and VS Code lies significantly in their vibrant communities. You'll find abundant resources, tutorials, and support forums readily available for any challenge. The extensive ecosystems offer thousands of plugins and packages, allowing you to extend functionality effortlessly. Both platforms receive consistent updates and improvements, ensuring your development stack remains modern and robust for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.